How to make your home more energy efficient. The most important upgrades and habits for lower bills. Making your home more energy efficient doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By focusing on the biggest sources of energy use, heating, cooling, water heating, lighting, and major appliances, you can reduce waste, lower monthly bills, and improve comfort. The key is to start with high-impact improvements and build a simple, realistic plan you can maintain over time. Start with the biggest energy wasters. In most homes, heating and cooling account for the largest portion of energy use. If your home feels drafty, has uneven temperatures, or your HVAC system runs constantly, you are likely losing energy through air leaks and poor insulation. Begin with a basic energy check. Review recent utility bills for spikes or high usage. Feel for drafts around windows and doors. Check the attic for adequate insulation. Inspect ductwork for visible gaps or damage. If possible, schedule a professional energy audit. It can identify hidden leaks and insulation gaps that are hard to detect on your own. 1. Improve insulation and seal air leaks. Insulation and air sealing are often the most cost-effective upgrades you can make. Focus on the attic first. Heat rises, so attics are a major source of heat loss. Adding insulation to meet recommended levels for your climate can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs. Also, seal gaps around attic hatches, light fixtures, and vents to stop warm air from escaping. Seal windows and doors. Use caulk for small cracks and weather stripping for movable parts like doors and window sashes. Install door sweeps to block drafts at the bottom. If full window replacement isn't in your budget, consider storm windows or low-E window film to improve efficiency. Don't ignore basements and crawl spaces. Insulate rim joists and seal obvious air gaps. Moisture control is important. Make sure drainage and ventilation are working properly before sealing everything tightly. 2. Upgrade heating and cooling systems. Because HVAC systems consume so much energy, upgrading or optimizing them delivers major savings. Choose properly sized equipment. If replacing your system, ensure it is correctly sized for your home. Oversized systems cycle on and off too frequently, wasting energy and reducing comfort. Look for high efficiency ratings, such as high SEER for cooling or high AFUE for furnaces. Heat pumps are increasingly popular because they provide both heating and cooling efficiently. Install a smart thermostat. A smart or programmable thermostat can automatically reduce heating or cooling when you're asleep or away. Adjusting your temperature by just 2 to 4 degrees F can noticeably lower energy use without sacrificing comfort. Regularly change air filters every 1 to 3 months. Schedule annual professional tune-ups to clean components and ensure proper operation. A well-maintained system runs more efficiently and lasts longer. 3. Switch to LED lighting and use smart controls. Lighting upgrades are simple but powerful. Replace old bulbs with LEDs. LED bulbs use up to 85% less energy than incandescent bulbs and last much longer. Replace the most frequently used lights, first kitchen, living room, and outdoor fixtures for immediate savings. Use sensors and timers. Install motion sensors in closets, bathrooms, and garages. Use timers or smart plugs for outdoor lighting to prevent overnight waste. Dimmers also reduce energy use while extending bulb life. Maximize natural light. Open curtains during the day. Use lighter wall colors and keep windows clean to reduce reliance on artificial lighting. 4. Upgrade appliances and reduce standby. Older appliances consume far more energy than modern efficient models. Choose Energy Star appliances. When replacing refrigerators, dishwashers, washers, or dryers, choose Energy Star certified models. Focus first on high-energy items like refrigerators and water heaters. Heat pump water heaters are particularly efficient, using far less electricity than traditional models. Cut phantom loads electronics draw power even when turned off. Use smart power strips or unplug devices like chargers, gaming consoles, and entertainment systems when not in use. Standby power can account for up to 10% of your electricity bill. 5. Reduce hot water use. Heating water requires significant energy, so conserving hot water saves money. Set your water heater to 120 degrees. Install low-flow shower heads and faucet aerators. Fix leaks promptly. Wash clothes in cold water. Run full loads in dishwashers and washing machines. Insulating hot water pipes also reduces heat loss and improves efficiency. 6. Consider renewable energy, if budget allows. If you're ready for a larger investment, solar panels can reduce or even eliminate electricity bills over time. Before installing, evaluate roof condition, orientation, and shading. Compare multiple quotes and check available incentives or rebates. Solar water heaters are another option in sunny climates and can significantly cut water heating costs. 7. Use smart technology to track and improve. Home energy monitors show real-time electricity usage and help identify high-consumption appliances. Smart plugs, thermostats, and lighting systems automate energy-saving behaviors without requiring constant attention. Set measurable goals such as reducing peak hour usage by 10% and track progress monthly. 8. Build simple daily habits. Long-term savings depend on consistent habits. Lower the thermostat in winter and raise it slightly in summer. Turn off lights when leaving a room. Shorten showers. Use cold water for laundry. Shift heavy energy use, like laundry or dishwashing, to off-peak hours if your utility offers time-based rates. Small actions repeated daily create meaningful savings over time. The most effective way to make your home energy efficient is to start with insulation and air sealing, then improve heating and cooling systems, upgrade lighting and appliances, and adopt smarter daily habits. Focus first on the upgrades that deliver the biggest savings per dollar spent. With a phased approach and consistent effort, you can lower your energy bills, improve comfort, and increase your home's long-term value without overwhelming your budget.